I'm Susan Vienna. I'm a patient of Dr. Tim Flory. The problems I had that brought me to Dr. Flory was a lot of lower back pain. I was having knee pain. I have carpal tunnel, so I get numbness in my forearms and my wrists, and some joint pain. Well, the treatments that I've taken over the years have varied, so I've never been on medication, but I have seen like a physical therapist who helped with some lower back pain, but it didn't cure it. I mean, it came back. And I went to various chiropractors over the years, and I've had massages to try and relax the muscles, thinking maybe that was what was causing it. And like I said, a lot of it I thought was because I was aging. So, you know, they tell you your body kind of goes downhill, but I just didn't want to believe that. So I thought, well, as my doctor said, she told me, you're someone who's trying to push a boulder uphill and you're just not going to be able to do it. So the older you get, the harder it's going to be. So I just wanted to be in the best possible shape I could be in as I aged, and I wanted to feel good enough to be able to do the activities that I like to do. That's an interesting story how I got interested in NUCCA. My older sister lives in Oregon, and so she found a new chiropractor through a friend, and so she was calling to tell me about how they don't adjust your spine by pressing on the bone, you know, the spine in your back, that they actually just adjust one little axe, I guess the top of your spine, the A2 thing, and that once that gets in alignment, you know, it kind of makes everything fall into place. And she says what they use, she told me they use some little device on there, but actually it's your fingers. And so she was telling me all about it, and of course it was way over my head. I didn't understand it. So she says, well, maybe they have one down near you. You know, you're near LA. So she emailed me, and she found Dr. Flory's practice, which was close to where I live. So I thought, well, I'll give it a try. I'll call and make an appointment and see, you know, what it's all about. And it interested me very much because some of it to me is homeopathic and natural remedies, you know, like vitamins and nutrients and I don't know, the brain and your body, the connection is just so, I don't know, it's just amazing how one little thing can affect everything. After the first correction, he told me I might be a little sore and to ice it a couple of times throughout the day, but actually I didn't have any discomfort. I did ice it once or twice the first afternoon, but other than that, I had no adverse effect. I didn't need to ice it. I wasn't sore. So I was encouraged. I liked that. Atlas Brain and Spine has been treating me for 5 months. And I've gone through, I'm at the end of my second phase of treatment, and next month I'll be starting my third and final phase. And my body has responded incredibly well to the treatments because I've been holding my adjustments now for a month, more than a month, I think about 5 weeks. I haven't had to have an adjustment. As I've progressed through my treatments, I have been feeling so much better and been able to exercise more. I feel more confident. I have to climb up on a ladder, which my son says don't do, but you have to do sometimes. Anyway, I don't know, I can resume most all my activities. There's nothing inhibiting me, and I have no pains. Even my joints from some of the, like the fish oil that he's prescribed for me, it's helped with the inflammation in my hands and my joints, and they don't ache like they used to do. And oh, is that nice? I would recommend Dr. Flory at Atlas Brain and Spine for any discomfort they have. If you've had like lower back pain or any back pain or joint pain, anything that's uncomfortable and you haven't had success, I would recommend coming in because it works. Thank you, Dr. Flory and Atlas Brain and Spine.